Hey everybody, this is the second video in the series of the Ozone machine videos. The first one we showed you this Ozone machine here, which is by Longevity, okay? And then this is another Ozone machine, much smaller, much simpler. In fact, it probably is more for home use. But this is the Stratus Ozone generator by simply03.com, okay? And very, very simple. It has just your wall plug-in right here, and then it has the port for the oxygen tubing. So you got tubing here that's going to connect the Ozone generator to your O2 tank. And it's the same tubing that we used for the other one, okay? So it's just very short tubing. So that is going right onto the oxygen tank. And once it's plugged into the wall, you're always going to have that power. You can see where it says power. Yeah. You're always going to have that power light on. And your port to retrieve your ozone from is right at the top. And then don't worry too much about this. I actually talked to the woman from Simply03. Like we said in the other one, you want to get as close to an ozone concentration of 33 gamma as possible. And on this machine, there's only one way to do that, and it's not exact, but it's as close as we can get, and that is completely fine. If you notice ozone via O2 tank, this column right here, you notice that the closest thing to 33 that we have is this one, 35. And in order to get that concentration, we have to turn our oxygen to 1/4 of a liter per minute, okay? So it's these two right here. 1/4 of a liter will yield 35, which is close to 33. So again, the other one, you're going to turn your oxygen on to 1/4 of a liter. You can see that. And then there's no, unlike with this one down here where we have a setting, we have no settings on this. It's just a matter of, excuse me, it's just a matter of turning the oxygen to the proper setting. We do not need to worry about that column at all. When I spoke to her on the phone from Simply03, she said don't even pay any attention to that column. So all you have to do then is make sure that your syringe, okay, see the syringe right there. Just have to make sure that it's screwed on. It's a Lure lock, and you know what? One second. That's never happened to me before. Normally it wouldn't fill like that. Not quite sure why it's filling. But in order to get it to fill with ozone, you would have to turn on the on and off switch. And literally that is all that you need to do. And it will fill. And when you're done, when you get as much ozone as you needed into your syringe, you just turn it right off. And that's all you need to do. All right. So it's on a safe mode to be on right now. There's nothing coming out into the atmosphere. So it's very, very, very simple. As easy as this one is, this one's even more simple. Okay, guys, and then the last video will be on the UVB machine.